Okay, Assalamualaikum and very good evening. I'm taking course the EAB for 205 control environment. Our project is 30 minutes projects, and I will in charge the question number 2. So it's by Dr. Associate Prof. Dr. Hasfalina. Before I start my video, I will introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Shahid bin Abdul Hamid, and my 189746, and my partner is Cassandra Simah, anak Paul 189754. I will explain the question number 2 is construct your own greenhouse at Cameron Highlands for purpose our future protection cultivation. So I will summarize the criteria or the spec that we need to build in the greenhouse. Firstly, what type of land the microclimate and microclimate's requirement for our greenhouse, and second is structure materials, what material we use for greenhouse. So is it the strength, or is it the can use for the lifetime or long time? Is it stable for the plant? And the third criteria is the type type of design, include dimension of greenhouse. So next is environment control system in the structure, what the environmental structure and that we need to our greenhouse. So next is type of irrigation and drainage. Of course we need the water for supply the for the fruit or vegetable, something like that. So and lastly is arrangement of bench of pot, is mean the length of the we put at the row and the length. So before we start to the next question, I will introduce our company name is Casa. What is Casa? Casa is combination. My name is Cassandra and Shahid. Okay. Our location is Cameron Highland. So we start to the first question is type of land and its microclimate requirement. So so we use the cabbage. Why cabbage? Because cabbage is ideal place to grow cabbage at the greenhouse. So the cabbage is outdoor, is plagued by many variety of pests such as apite, cabbage worm, root fly, and flea beetle, which are much easy to control in indoor environments. So greenhouse growing also extend the cabbage growing season. Cabbage cool season, so the cabbage is cool season, so that's why we put at the we grow at the Cameron Highland. So it's growing season, cabbage is cool season, so the lower light condition is cooler, the weather will not affect it as much. It will warm season crop, and it can be grown equally when in the spring and fall. So our cabbage is like the type is using the Brassica arborecia. So okay, we move to the structure and material use. So our greenhouse is type of greenhouse is closed greenhouse, is even span type. So the wall is mostly made of the horticulture glass, and the roof is made of corrugated fiberglass material. So while the beam are made of galvanized steel. So galvanized steel, I think is strong, and it can use for the light. If I'm not wrong, is roughly I think more than 10 years, or within 10 years until 15 years. The ventilation system is we use fan, and the system can provide the movement through under all weather condition. And as the fan exhausted vacuum pressure is created to drive the cooler outside. Open window, draw and lower. That one I think environment control system in agriculture. So so type of so we move to the dimension. So hold on, yeah. So our type is closed greenhouse. So I think the length is 7 15.5 meter, and the width is 10 meter, and the height is almost 5 meter until the ground and the top. So is it clear? So type of irrigation and drainage. Type of irrigation and drainage is we use the drip irrigation, because right now most of the vegetable or fruit is use the drainage. Why drainage? Drainage is can save a lot of water, and then the irrigation is using the we use the drip irrigation, and drainage have some hole at the bottom, so if the excessive water can flow down into the flow water and supply to the tank or something like that. So I think arrangement of the pot, we have 4 row, so 10 meter. So the row is about different 2 meter, and walkway we have around 2 meter. So the one you can walkway or the different is 2 meter. So the apa, so the plant is the different about 1 meter, sorry, 1 meter, and then the length is about 1 meter. Okay, that's all. And our target market is mostly for the traveller and from the people stay around there. So, and then for the like the supermarket, the high market, like the Tesco, so we supply to the Tesco, Giant, something like that. So I think that's all from us. Thank you.